Well, happy Green Monday. It's supposed to be the busiest shipping day of the year. Want to check in and see how business is doing this holiday season. Joining us right now is Brian Hamilton, CEO of SageWorks. That's a financial analysis firm for privately held companies. Thanks for being with us.
Hey, it's great to be here, Michael.
I got to tell you something. I started my day off, Brian, doing something that I thought was pretty stupid. I was shipping some coffee to some friends at our affiliate in New Orleans, WRNO Radio, and I wanted to get the coffee right out. So I went into a UPS store. Before I went in, I was like, "Are you insane today? Of all days?" You know what? I had to wait 2 minutes. Was all not bad.
That's awesome.
Is that a bad sign for business though?
No, I mean, things are going pretty well. We'll get to that, but you're a step ahead of me because I haven't even started Christmas shopping, so that'll tell you where I am.
But I mean, that is not an indication though of, because I figured, it doesn't matter where you go, whether it's UPS store or FedEx
Right.
or whatever, post office. I mean, generally they're jammed this time of year.
Well, I'd say this. You were in the short line to the motor vehicle department.
Oh, okay. So it was luck. Just got luck, yeah.
You just got lucky. You ought to put that on a website or something and let everybody know what time you went and what location. But things are going well almost across the board with private company retailers. If you look at it, there's actually some really interesting goodies in the data, but we'll go with the more state or boring ones. Automobile dealers are doing better. Their sales are up by 15% this year. Electronics and appliance stores have revenue going up 10%. Sporting goods, clothing stores are up by 7%. And so as a society, we continue to buy more stuff. We are stuff getters, and it looks like we're back in that mode because over the last 12 months, we've got pretty consistent sweeping revenue increases consistently for the last 12 months. Now, one other thing on that, Michael, as well, it's fascinating to us. Even furniture stores have a rebound right now. Their sales are up by 5% over the last 12 months. And that's a big surprise because, as you remember from previous conversations, that number was really, really dismal a year ago or 18 months ago.
Yeah.
And so that's nice, and it's good stuff,
Do we think this is going to last the entire season? And also, is this a great indicator for our overall economy, or we get in a special mood because it's Christmas? We're trying to make up for the rest of the year.
Okay, that's a great question. The data has been going up for about 12 months, so I don't think this relates to just the Christmas season.
Uh-huh.
So we would be surprised if that trend went down over the next, 14, 15 days, whatever it is, until the end of the year. So right now we're in this sort of mini mega trend of revenue growing over the last 12 months. We expect it's going to continue. Of course, we don't know how long it's going to continue, but it's positive right now.
So President Obama should be happy about those figures then, hopefully, for his not enough for him to stop sweating in 2012.
No, well, it's a fascinating thing, right? Because that's the magic question. The revenue's going up, the net profits are going up, the margins are going up for private companies. They generate up to 70 or 80% of economic activity. Mm-hmm. That is positive, no question. But see, that's not the thing that he's going to be hung or elevated on. It's going to be JOBS, right?
Right. So if you're not working, it doesn't matter what little figures are that you hear on the radio. Where's your job?
Exactly. And if you don't get that number going in the right direction, then forget it. It's not going to be good for them.
Brian Hamilton, CEO of SageWorks. That's a financial analysis firm for privately held companies. Thanks so much for being with us.
Hey, thanks so much, Michael.